kind of embarrassing when you're sitting there and somebody else hears your stomach growl. And, you know, they know you're hungry. So I'd grab a Snickers and eat that on the way to class.
Snickers satisfies you.
Keeps your stomach busy and lets you get back to your train of thought.
Packed with fresh peanuts, peanut butter nougat, caramel, and milk chocolate.
Satisfies you.
Packed with peanuts, Snickers really satisfies.
It satisfies you hungry. What more can I say?
Official snack food of the 1984 Olympic Games.
Discover a sensational deodorant soap, Fiesta.
Richard? Richard?
Fiesta deodorant soap bursts into fragrant lather, refreshes, recharges, revives. And Fiesta's from Jergens, the skincare people.
Honey?
Ricardo!
Don't just shower, celebrate with Fiesta.
Hi, I'm Dick Hanna, and over here at Dick Hanna Honda in Vancouver, USA at the north end of the Interstate Bridge, we have a tremendous selection of new Hondas to choose from. We have the new Honda Accord four-door, the new Prelude, and the new Civic. The Honda is a super car. It gets great gas mileage, and we have a good selection. Why not come on over and see us here at the north end of the Interstate Bridge? Thank you very much. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Riley here from the Waterbed Factory, inviting you to the biggest waterbed liquidation ever. Stone's Bedtime Company is closing their doors forever. All inventory must be liquidated right now to make room for the factory's own quality merchandise. Don't miss your chance to save during the total liquidation of Stone's Bedtime Company, conducted by the factory, the Waterbed Factory, 8120 Southwest Beaverton Hillsdale Highway.
A Ranger never takes the easy way out.
You're reaching deep inside you for things you've never known.
Go!
That's why getting into the Rangers is tough, and the training is tough.
Be all that you can be.
So it makes me feel like I'm part of something really special.
Be all that you can be.
And I'm not the only one.
You can do it in the Army.
Help! Here, let Sarah crawl. I just washed my no-wax floor, even though it doesn't look so great.
What's this? Oh, could be a cloudy film from your cleaner.
Think so?
Try Clean and Clear on your no-wax floor. It's new.
Cleaners that mix cloudy can dry cloudy without rinsing. New no-rinse Clean and Clear mixes clear, dries clear. Is clean. Nothing cloudy to rinse away.
Your floor looks terrific.
Try new Clean and Clear, the no-rinse cleaner for a clearly beautiful floor.
The long, dry spell is over. Finally, high technology has come to lawn and garden watering products. Introducing Gardena, a revolutionary line of spray guns, innovative click-on connectors, and the world's most advanced sprinklers. Precision tooled and turbo-driven for years of more natural coverage. Gardena watering products. There's nothing like them on Earth. Except maybe rain.
Find Gardena products under the rainbow at G.I. Joe's.
Celebrate the 4th on the 3rd with KOIN TV, the Portland Beavers, and Fred Meyer. Bring the family and come early because the players will be on hand to autograph a new team photo from 5 to 5:45 p.m. Later, the skies above Civic Stadium will explode with a spectacular fireworks display, dollars off coupons at Fred Meyer, and 30% of the gate helps the March of Dimes. So join KOIN TV for an all-American blast. Baseball and fireworks at Civic Stadium July 3rd. Come and get a jump on the 4th.
The BMW 318i and the Honda Accord have a great deal in common. Look at the similar design. Check the comfort similarities. In maneuverability and handling, both are rated excellent. And both have incredible resale value. It's not till we get to the price that the similarity ends. The four-door Honda Accord. The BMW 318, ay, ay, ay! See the new Accord at one of these 6 key Honda dealers.
KOIN TV, Portland, Vancouver.
Hey, chocolate lovers. Look, Three Musketeers gives you more of what you buy chocolate for. 2 flat bars don't measure up to 1 Three Musketeers. Because under the rich chocolate of Three Musketeers is a center whipped up and up. The more it's whipped, the bigger it gets. Taste for yourselves, chocolate lovers. Three Musketeers. Lots more of what you buy chocolate for. Three Musketeers.
In this puzzling world of vitamins and minerals, none of these leading brands is more complete than One A Day Plus Minerals. By comparison, Theragrand M is missing 7 nutrients. Myadex 6. Unicap M 7. Of all these, One A Day Plus Minerals has the most complete vitamin and mineral solution to help you get what you need. In this puzzling world, none of these brands compare to One A Day Plus Minerals, the most complete solution.
Aziza demonstrates a brilliant breakthrough. The first real powder shadow that's out of the pan and into the pencil. The Aziza powder pencil, it's real powder shadow, so it won't pull or tug, and the silky crease-proof color stays on for hours. Aziza powder pencil in lots of gorgeous colors. You'll love it at first stroke.
Something really unexpected happened to Jackie Wells when she started wearing Scholl exercise sandals. She expected them to be comfortable and stylish and versatile, but she never dreamed they'd help give her better-looking legs. This little toe grip is what does it. With every step, the toes cling to it, flexing the leg muscles, then relaxing them, then flexing, and toning and shaping. We won't promise you beautiful legs, only better ones. Scholl exercise sandals.
We're here in a helicopter, headed out north on I-5 looking for a good deal on a new car. We heard there's a huge selection of new and used cars and trucks at the north end of the Interstate Bridge. We're flying over the bridge. We're almost there at Dick, Hanna, Honda, Lincoln, Mercury, Jeep, and Subaru.
We always have over 400 new and used cars and trucks to choose from.
With low Washington financing and no tax to Oregon buyers. There are 2 ways to reach us, by phone or by freeway, or by helicopter. Out I-5 at the north end of the Interstate Bridge.
Remember, we make house calls.
The long, dry spell is over. Finally, high technology has come to lawn and garden watering products. Introducing Gardena, a revolutionary line of spray guns, innovative click-on connectors, and the world's most advanced sprinklers. Precision tooled and turbo-driven for years of more natural coverage. Gardena watering products. There's nothing like them on Earth. Except maybe rain.
Find Gardena products under the rainbow at Fred Meyer one-stop shopping centers except Morrison.
Patty has terrific taste, but she does have to stretch her budget. This brand-name sofa sells for $900 at Portland stores. Patty found the identical sofa at Vancouver Furniture for only $597. This queen-size Simmons is $600 at Portland stores, only $397 at Vancouver Furniture. This Strato Lounger recliner sells for $350 at Portland stores, only $247 at Vancouver Furniture. Be a smart shopper like Patty. Cross the bridge to save at Vancouver Furniture. Compare our written absolute low-price guarantee on identical brand names in the Portland area.
I keep making more money, and I'm no better off.
People need help with their money. They need straight talk and simple answers from someone they trust. That's why Sears created the Sears Financial Network with Dean Witter, investments, Coldwell Banker, real estate, Allstate insurance. They're ready to serve you now in their own offices. The Sears Financial Network. Trust us to make it work for you.
When I rehearse my specials, I work long days. My mascara's been on since 7 a.m. That's why I wear Maybelline's Fresh Lash. It's 24-hour mascara that conditions too. There's never time for a touch-up. But my Fresh Lash stays fresh, even in close-ups. And I give it a workout. I don't mind long hours, and neither does my Fresh Lash. It's 24-hour mascara that conditions too, from Maybelline.
Be sure to watch the Best of the Midnight special this week starring ABBA, Jermaine Jackson, Randy Van Warmer, and your hosts Kim Carnes and Eddie Rabbits.
Looking for a better way for me. I'm driving my life away. Looking for something.
In the mountains of southern Colombia, for centuries the cloth has been woven by hand. It is not the fastest way, but it is part of the heritage. The same dedication to heritage that has been passed to Juan Valdez. He picks the Colombian coffee as it has been picked for centuries, by hand, bean by bean. Only at the moment when it is best. It is no surprise that a country so rich with tradition grows the richest coffee in the world.
It was the time of the month when I needed relief. If I asked my husband, he'd probably say, take Tylenol. But it's not that simple. There are certain times when women want more. That's when I take Maximum Cramp Relief Formula Pamprin. It has as much aspirin-free pain reliever as extra-strength Tylenol for those aches and pains. And it's got more, a special ingredient to fight cramps, something Tylenol doesn't have. Maximum Cramp Relief Formula Pamprin. It's got more for when you want more.
Inglenook, the wine that celebrates food.
I wanted his birthday to be a special surprise, so I cooked his favorite pasta and picked the perfect wine, Inglenook. Some wines just go with food. Inglenook celebrates it.
I don't really wear glasses. 2 more meals like this. 2 more nights like this.
The wine that celebrates food.
An airplane crashes in rugged mountain terrain, signaling a satellite in outer space, notifying a rescue mission of its whereabouts. Sound like science fiction? It's actually a new advance in air search and rescue. Tana Lang reports. As the galloping gourmet, he had success, fame, and fortune. But Graham Kerr's family life was almost destroyed by drugs, alcohol, and fast living. Then he became a Christian. Donna Wench learns how Kerr's belief changed his life. Join Kirk Matthews, Donna Wench, and Tana Lang for Northwest Illustrated Sunday at 6:30 on TV6.
Hi, I'm Peter Jacobson, a professional golfer. I'm excited about my golf, and I'm excited about the first National March of Dimes telethon against birth defects to be aired on KOIN TV Channel 6 during the weekend of July 4th. I'll be playing in the Western Open in Chicago during the telethon, but I'm going to help the fight against birth defects by pledging $100 for every birdie that I make during the tournament. You can help Oregon, too, by pledging any amount for every birdie that I make during the Western. Just stop in at any G.I. Joe's ticket outlet to make a pledge or phone this number to sign up. Let's win together.
KOIN TV, Portland, Vancouver.